My husband and I were going to lunch. We ordered our food. It was just like a regular day. Everything seemed perfect. And when we sat down, I just felt fainty and I just passed out. I remember them putting me in the ambulance, cutting my clothes off and putting oxygen on me and taking me to the hospital. And after that, I don't remember anything else. They told me I had an aortic dissection. I had surgery. And after that, I had rehabilitation. The treatment that I got at UMMC has totally brought back the ability for me to do everything in my recovery that I can do. I bowl, I run, I play tennis, I play golf. My life is back pretty much to normal. The things that stand out to me the most were the nurses. They were always there. They were always helpful. Their bedside manners were excellent. The physical therapy department, they made sure it was not a challenge. It was not hard. It was fun. Everybody had a smile. Everybody met you where you were and tried to get you further along. The quality of care I got while I was at the University of Mississippi Medical Center was excellent. I couldn't have asked for anything better.